Step 1. Check your computer's IP address. If it shows automatic, please set a new IP address. Step 2. After ensuring correct wiring, double-click to open YC Player. Click Setting Hardware Set and enter the password YC. Step 3. IP address selection. Click Network and select your local IP address. If the indicator light is green, the connection is normal. Step 4. Controller parameter settings. Select the corresponding IC chip and color. Click Reserve DMX address, simple addressing. Since it's RGBW, the number of channels needs to be changed to 4. Enter the number of controllers, according to your actual situation. If the light fixture is not lit, please click Special Settings without addressing. Then click Tools ArtNet Configuration Tool. Verify IP address, apply, right. Click ArtNet Poll, IP address corresponding to this computer. Step 5. Animation Test. If the colors do not match the screen, the color channel order is incorrect. Go to Setting Hardware Set Layout. Edit Layout, right-click Controller List to modify the channel order and save after successful modification. Step 6. Color Channel Check. Return to the screen test. You will now find that the colors match and the channel order is correct. The controller's parameters and address writing is now complete. Close the YC player, open control software such as Madrix. Step 7. Click Preferences, Device Manager. Click ArtNet, select Enable. Search. Then click DMX Devices, press Ctrl+A to select all device names and click Enable Apply. Step 8. Import Layout. Click File Import Patch to import layout file. Step 9. Lighting Control. Click SCE Color. There are various effects are available. Product Usage Display.